If you've lost your TV remote, or it's just not working, don't worry. Here's how you can reset your TV without it, using these 9 tried and true methods. Method 1. Locate the physical power button on your TV. Most modern TVs have a button on the back or under the front panel. Press and hold it for 10–15 seconds to force a reset. Method 2. Try the TV menu buttons. Use the buttons on the side or bottom of your TV to navigate to the settings menu. Find the reset option and follow the on-screen instructions. Method 3. Soft reset option. Unplug the TV from the power source. Wait about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Sometimes, this simple power cycle does the trick. Method 4. Another method is using a mobile app. Many TV brands offer remote control apps that can be downloaded to your smartphone. Once connected, you can access the reset function directly from the app. Method 5. If you have a smart TV, use your TV's web interface. Access the TV's settings via web browser on your computer or phone, provided the TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the reset section. Method 6. You can also try a universal remote. If you have one lying around, program it to your TV brand and use it to reset your TV. Universal remotes can often access the same functions as the original remote. Method 7. Some TVs allow a factory reset via hardware by pressing a specific combination of buttons on the TV itself. This varies by model, so check your TV's manual or search online for your specific brand. Method 8. Check if your TV has a reset button. Some models come with a small reset button hidden near the connection ports. You might need a pin or paperclip to press it. Method 9. Lastly, if nothing works, consider using HDMI CEC compatible device, like a gaming console or streaming stick. These devices can often control the TV's power and inputs, allowing you to access the reset function through their menus.